money. Are we on? Are we on? Are we on? You know how we do. Get money, boys, chilling out. Hey. I'm chilling in Miami, smoking on the blunt. I'm feeling real good, hear the beat as it bump. Man, I give you what you want, hey, I give you what you need. Told me you what, now we got to grab some more trees, cause we chilling in the whip. Chilling with your bitch, and she look so good when she sucking on my dick. And I'm chilling on the cliff, so please don't push as I'm sitting with money, blowing on that kush. I said, homie, good looks as I passed it. That old dirty bastard, cradle to the casket, who rip it the baddest. I am, and my man, chillin', getting suntans. Who's the best? I am. There is only one man, and I got one plan. Stupid, so check the blueprints. New shit, ask them. Who's this? Boston, flossing. Dog, I am awesome. You underground like a possum. I'm rotten like the apple. I drink beer like it's Snapple. Hear the weed as it crackle. Yeah, I'm a jackal, and I'm coming at the nighttime. I don't even write rhymes. You know how I do it. I just like to see the light shine on me, homie. I'm all about my money. I be laughing cause it's funny. Since my nose was running and bumming, now I'm fly every day of my life. Motherfucker, let the Lord strike me if I lie, cause it's all raining. Fuck around with me, I'll shoot you in your face like Dick Cheney. You know how I do it, I'm insane. We just be losing my mind. I take cruises at times, blow a little blue with my rhymes. Yeah, thought I lost it, but I caught it. I sell it cause you bought it. It's just like narcotics. Motherfucker hit the office, chilling on a cruise ship, smoking on some blue crib, lounging with my new bitch. I'm too sick. Hachu, bless you, making it all messy. Stab you in the throat like Joe Pesci. You ain't ready. Hear the thunder, cause I'm the 8th world wonder. Take you under, make a motherfucker wonder how we get so good, how we stay so hood. I'm the best at it, goddammit, I hope it's understood. I'm a cigarette smoker, I'm a heavy weed puffer. I'm the livest motherfucker, and I'm like Chris Tucker on Friday when I'm on the highway. I told the bitch, come back to my place. Let me open my safe, count my money in front of you, and smoke a blunt on you. Take it all back and then I come on you. Ugh, I'm disgusting, a ruffian. You know how I do it when I'm touching and busting him. They can't get enough of him. See, I'm a camera freak, love the fucking picture, and I get closer while I'm sipping, brew, chasing liquor. A little bit of weed, a little Hennessy. That's my remedy, yeah, you'll remember me. Easy. Get money, boys.
Get money nation, baby.
They thought I stopped. Hold on, that was just a pause as I floss. Get your sexy little bitch up out of drawers. I'm chilling on the chores with a little bitch that I met in St. Kitts, living life like I'm rich, blowing piff. West, tell them who the best. It be easy. I should get it tatted on my chest. I'm an animal, eat 'em up like Hannibal, light 'em up like candles do. You know how it, dog. I will scandal you, swindle you, bitch. I ain't into you, but I will come through and eat that pussy up like it was dinner food. I smell the weed and I taste the residue. It's not hard to explain, but I am better, dude. I'm 10 steps ahead of you. Do it on the regular. Remember what I said to you. Sorta like the Predator. Same shit I said before. Yeah, I'm just ill with my metaphors, and I don't need a chorus. See, I'm a Taurus. We relax. We like to sit and zone out to a sax. I be ashing, looking at the captain. From Beantown to Miami, from Cleveland to Manhattan, I be smashing bitches. Get them out they panty drawers, drop them mics. Christmas, Santa Claus, yeah, I catch it. Motherfucker thought I died, but I was quickly resurrected. Just what you expected. My shit, very well respected. Fuck around with me, you gon' get it. Yeah, directed by the livest. Who my crew is, we the fucking livest. We the survivors. Bow down to your highness.
That's what it is.